Alright guys, so this last year where I kind of messed up last year, but I didn't realize until I took half of these guys and put it, or like 4 of these guys, and try to finagle a way to release these queens. I didn't know these were in here. So I wanted to open it up and catch a few dead bees in there. And you see, like, everything in the package was underneath this, but you see how this has got some sugar water soaked on here to give these bees a way to get some nutrition and feed the queens through the cages there. And so what I'm going to do is just very carefully, I want to inspect each one. So you got the queen in there, she should be marked. Yep, you got the white dot. So you see the cork in there. And so I'm going to put this in here and put that on there. So need to make sure you gotta do it kind of quick or she'll crawl out. Okay, so she can eat from that end, and the worker bees can eat from this end. But for now, I want to protect it so they can't get to it from there. And the ones that I don't put in a hive tonight or today, they'll stay in here, and I'll put it in another beehive where it has some worker bees to take care of it. So let me just go through these kind of quick here. I want to get all of these done. That gun. Well, that was good. I want to get these done. I guess I should wear gloves for this, but it does make it kind of hard. Of course, it'll be harder with swollen fingers. These gloves are actually pretty good, so I'll be able to manipulate what I need to, I hope. But, getting stung on the fingertips is